lahat ng napagdaanan ko sa buhay, specifically sa past romantic relationships, napagod na ako. I already gave up on my dream of getting married and having a family of my own. But God had different plans. God gave me you.
For Cherry. For Angie.
Anong unang gagawin pag natapos ng kasal?
Magbabayad ng supplier.
The first church, your first mission is the family. At ang pamilya ay nagsisimula sa mag-asawa. Sana yung pagsasama ninyo, higit sa romance, higit sa mga kilig moments, higit sa mga pag-aalaga ng sarili at ng bawat isa, which is very, very important. Kailangan nyo yung gawin lahat. But above and beyond all that, may you consider your most important responsibility is to help each other grow in faith.
Clarice, mahal. Simula sa araw na ito, tinatanggap kita bilang aking asawa, bilang aking may bahay. Ikaw magsisilbing ilaw ng aking tahanan. Pangako, ikaw lang ang aking mamahalin at walang iba.
Dearest Mahal, for other people, they may call you Albert, Atoy, Papa, Kuya, or even Para. But for me, you will always be my mahal. Love.
Paulit-ulit kitang pipiliin dahil ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagmamahal sa harap ng Panginoong Diyos. Nangangako akong mamahalin kita at aalagaan hanggang ako'y nabubuhay. I love you.
Despite my flaws, I vow to always strive to be the best wife for you, supporting you in all your decisions, plans, and dreams. I vow to love you, for better or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part, according to God's holy law. I love you, Mahal. Your wife.